Clean Energy International, the largest online marketing and consulting channel for your business and solar projects. What are the advantages of solar panels? This is part 1 on the follow-up of our previous presentation, where we asked ourselves why solar panels are popular. What are the advantages of solar panels? We are asking ourselves the pros and cons of solar panels. The most widely known advantage of solar panels is that they reduce the cost of your electricity bills. By producing your own power through the sun, you will ultimately be buying less power from the grid. This allows you to spend less money buying energy, which leads to saving more money on your power bills. Due to the sun's energy being renewable and free, it means that you will not be paying for the energy you generate through your solar panels. There are endless benefits that come with having a spare cash each month to spend on your family or other things. Saving money is one of the biggest advantages of solar. Solar power is also renewable source of energy and cannot be used up. Essentially, the sun is generating a mass amount of power all the time that can be harvested by our solar panels without running out. The plus side of solar being renewable means that everyone can take advantage of free energy given by the sun. We couldn't have to worry about the sun's power running out, but instead we can enjoy the rays that hit our solar panels and generate free and clean energy. Being a renewable source of energy or source of power is also an advantage to us, meaning the energy doesn't produce any greenhouse gases. Because solar panels have so many benefits for homeowners, installing them on the property increases its value. A reason you should be having, or everyone should be having, solar panels on his roof. Houses that have solar panels are more valuable than those that do not. This is because one home will be highly dependent on the grid, whereas the other will be generating its own energy. Enjoying being free from the shackles of increasing energy prices gives you a peace of mind and saves your pocket. Again, this is because solar panels do not have high upfront costs, especially in countries where you can sell your power. And this is a great investment and an asset. The money that you spend on solar panels will be invested into your home as well. You will even see a high return on investment from installing solar power on your property. Energy that is produced by solar panels is clean, renewable, and has zero emissions. Solar energy does not contribute towards the greenhouse gases of fossil fuels like oils and coal. Essentially, this means that solar panels are environmentally friendly and produces no harm to the planet. Being environmentally friendly means a lot nowadays, and you can gain popularity within communities for taking a stance against climate change. It is one of the most popular reasons why people take a move towards solar, and is definitely one of the biggest advantages of solar panels. Homeowners can rest easy knowing their energy does not harm the planet. Another massive advantage of solar panels is the huge range of different solar products that are available. There are solar panels that are built for performance, for those people who are looking for a high-end system to perform for a long time, like the grid tie system. For homeowners who are looking for a good budget system, then there is a massive range that can be browsed from as well. Thermal systems, that is solar water heaters, are also available for people who spend most of their energy on heating and want to use solar to help lower this cost. Solar panels can be purchased with an all-in-one battery system for homeowners who need to store their power to use at night instead. Having a wide variety of options comes as a massive advantage for homeowners as they get solar panels specific to their requirements and needs. With new technology being readily available, the maintenance of solar panels is becoming easier and easier by day. Warranties are also being included for massive periods of time, making the maintenance of solar panels less and less. This is great because it means homeowners can buy solar without having to fix or check the system every week. Also, low maintenance on solar panels means saving and thus low cost. You won't need to spend anything extra on your solar panels so that you can keep them working. Once in a while, it is recommended, however, that you get your system cleaned so that the collected soil and dust can be removed. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and give us your suggestions on how we can grow our channel and what you'd like to hear. Watch out for part 2. Thank you.